かりちゃんがね、仕事があったから、結構遅かったんだよ、来るのが。ずっと3人だったんだよ。But, until Callie came, I had this bonding time, I guess, with the two. And they ordered tongue! Every time I go for yakiniku with Japanese people, they always like the number one thing they order is tongue. Oh, you? Interesting reaction from you. Here it's like a normal thing, right? So first time I experienced something like this, yakiniku where someone orders tongue, I was also like, ew, that's so weird. A tongue? But I eventually tried, and it's edible. Like, it's definitely more chewy than normal, like, parts of the body. But it's also not as chewy as other things, like insides. And they had not only normal tongue, they had God tongue. Kami. Yeah. I think I asked why it's called God tongue, but there wasn't really a really special explanation. It's just a good tongue. But no, like normally the tongues that they serve, they're actually pretty thin slices. This God tongue was way thicker than all the other normal tongues that you normally get served. So that's why it's so special. Yeah. まあ一応ね、食べれたんですけどね、タンは。でも、一人で焼肉行くなら、私は絶対頼まない。普通にカルビとか、ハラミとか好きなんだよね。So, they ordered like, yukke and tan and all that. And I was like, nope. I'm sitting this one out. Don't worry, you girls can have that. I'm waiting for my karubi and my harami and my rosu, jorosu and all that. On this day, I didn't try the yukke. I tried it on the other day with the bigger yakiniku group, and okay, it was okay. It was edible, okay? Still, I wouldn't order it on myself. I think the kalbi was okay. The harami was amazing. The roast was really good too. 今回は絶対にシャートブリアン食べたいって最初から言ってた。でも、かりちゃんのね、一応待ってた。来るまで。おしゃれだから。Yeah.